Come test drive the 2007 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front stabilizer bar, braking assist, power convenience group. Come take a test drive today.